Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Super Bowl 2015. The winner for the first game, ang team po nila Doc Yap Sanman. Doc June Calamba, our most valuable player of the night. He scored 21 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists, 5 steals. 2 blocks. Doc June, ano masasabi niyo sa pagkapanalo natin ngayon, Doc?
Siyempre, masaya ang team namin. Kaya matagal na hindi nakapanalo ba. At saka, parang samba lang siguro yun. 2 wins pa kami. At saka, swerte yung mga shoot natin at saka mga pass break.
Doc June, congratulations again. Baka meron kayong gusto mga batiin, mga loved ones natin dyan at mga kaibigan natin.
Binabati ko yung family ko, yung wife ko, at saka yung daughter ko. Si Isa.
Ma'am!
Ate.
Evening, ma'am.
MVP si Daddy. At saka si Jimmy Javier. Jim. Kita mo yan, Jim?
Congratulations again, Doc, and more power to your team.